4 verse 12, the Bible tells us that our blessed Lord is coming back to earth. Are you making ready? Should it be tomorrow? Or are you living just for wealth and mirth? I see people all around on life's short pathway, and it seems they just don't try to find the way. They'll be crying for the earth and rocks to hide them when Jesus comes back to the earth again. Jesus said that he'd be coming without warning. Are you sure your soul is ready? Should he come? Oh, just think if you were left behind one morning. Oh, prepare, prepare to meet thy God. Oh, the time is short, and we should now be ready. It's just borrowed time that we are living on. There are joys untold awaiting for the ready. But oh, what torment awaits the other one. Jesus said that he'd be coming morning. Are you sure your soul is ready? Should he come? Oh, just think if you were left behind one morning. Oh, prepare, prepare to meet thy God. Oh, prepare, prepare to meet thy God.